My favorite brand is Golden, as you probably already noticed, but this does not mean that this is the only right choice. I like Golden for all the information that they provide on the tubes, on the website, and educational materials for teachers and sellers. I also like how the tubes or the caps hardly ever break or ever faulty. But most of all, I go crazy for the buttery consistency. The thickness and color vibrancy of the heavy bodies. I'm very used to that viscosity, and since for my personal work I work with this brand only, I also know my mixes very well. There are lots of brilliant brands like Liquitex, Talons, Winsor Newton, De La Rowney, Senelia. Brilliant. They all produced great quality products, and I've tried a wide range from each one of them. I find myself going back to Golden though. That's just how I am. It's good if you can stick to just one brand once you've made your choice. It will give you most predictable results and the best color mixes. Yes, definitely yes, especially once you get to the point when you know your favorite color palette. I would always say buy the best you can afford and don't ever buy basic color sets of like 12 or 24 basic colors. Pay attention to the colors that you are most drawn to. Play with different combinations of them in your art journal. Use papers, pencils, whatever color medium product that you have that will help you discover that color palette. You will soon come up with several colors that make your heart sing. This will be all you need. Buy 5 colors of excellent quality paint, colors that you'll use over and over again, creating your signature style. Colors that will inspire you and give you vibrant, intense results full of depth. It's always better than buying a set of 24 small tubes for the same price and never using many of them and being disappointed with the viscosity or dullness of your colors. Well, that can be really discouraging.